out. Frosty as shit. But so is the window. That's why I started it, but we're a little too early this morning. Yep, even the little work car. Everything's frozen right to the grass. The roof and everything. Check it out. Frozen. There's the inside. It's still frozen. It says 30 degrees on the temperature thing on the inside. Check that shit out. Isn't that wild? I love it. This is Florida. In the background, right there, is my frozen roof. Frozen. It's a scene. I love it. It doesn't really, oh look, it won't work. The temp, because it's frozen. So I have to lock it. Look, that won't work right now. Let's check the handle over here. It's frozen. Look. It won't. It's working a little bit over here, but yeah, the door handle doesn't even want to unlock. I wonder how about the Honda. Oh, the Honda's frozen shut too. Look. I mean, it's just wild. It does that when I open. Crazy stuff. We're in Florida. Look, the leaves are frozen on the car. Look. Crazy. Yep, look, our poor grass. We don't have grass now. But yep, there. See, from just running the car for a couple of minutes, it already started thawing out the windshield a little bit. It says it's 30 degrees on our thing. Let's go look at it. See, it says 30 degrees. The humidity outdoors is 99. There's temperature in the house and our humidity inside. But that's what it is. All right, look, it's frozen shut. They are, look, that's solid. That one I could get to wiggle. Watch. There it goes. But this one, nothing. Crazy. But check it out. Look how, look at, isn't that neat looking? I guess I didn't hit record when I did this earlier, a few minutes ago. But look, what? There. That's nice and clear now. How about that? Look at those crystals from the ice on it. How cool is that? I'm gonna take a still picture of that. Right? Okay, and then over here, the button doesn't work. It's frozen. Oh, it works under here. There, it's open now. But yeah, it's just solid across the sunroof and everything. Check that out. Looks like little hairs. Wow. And there's the trunk. The window thawed out from the heater being on. But like, there's on the tail. Check it out. That's from starting it. That's why it's melting. Just a couple of minutes it was running. We're a little early to head to one of our daily excursion appointments. But what? 30 degrees? What? I bet you're feeling pretty good out here, dude. What do you have to say for yourself? Oh, you out here partying. Look at you. Woo.